It is common practice to take on a second job in order to supplement one's income. Yet, let's be honest, a second job can be so time-consuming that it may lead to the distraction of one's social life. In certain situations, the reason you don't take on additional work is not the fear of missing out, FOMO, but rather the fact that you have a full-time job or are enrolled in a school full-time. But don't worry, there is a way to make money without devoting a significant amount of time to it. You can credit technology for this, as it has made it feasible for virtually anyone to make money without putting in a significant amount of additional effort. You may actually get paid for doing things you already do, such as shopping, eating out, watching movies, working out, or even sleeping. And this is just one of the many ways that you can earn more money on the side. You did indeed hear that correctly. However, before we get into all of that, welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Calvin, and here's another big money moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so that you stay updated on all of our money-making secrets. Now, let's do this, yo! The normal time investment could involve things like filling out a survey, going shopping, or downloading an application. But the majority of these cash-generating tasks can be done while you are traveling or while you are sleeping. Have a look at these 10 strategies to bring in some additional cash without interfering with your regular routine. 10. Get cash back on stuff you've already bought. Trying to keep up with the retail deals may easily become a full-time job, which means that even if you enjoy shopping, there is a good chance that you will miss out on numerous price reduction and dips. If, however, you download a free app such as Paribus, you don't miss out on any offers, and you'll even be able to get cash back if an item that you've already bought goes on sale. Your email offers from 16 of the app's participating merchants are analyzed by the app automatically, and it determines which businesses are responsible for providing you with a refund on a purchase you've already made if the price reduces. Downloading money-saving applications like Bota and Ebates before going shopping is another great way to cut costs and save money. With these apps, you can uncover the greatest prices and receive cash back. Before you go shopping, either in a store or online, Ibotta will tell you where you may find offers within its network, and it will provide you with 3 different options to get cash back on your purchases. Ebates provides shoppers with cash back for their online purchases, in addition to coupons and bargains. 9. Share your habits for money. Market research businesses will pay you money to find out where and how people are purchasing, and they will employ a number of apps to acquire this information. All you need to do to participate is download the apps, and then you may go about your day. For instance, Mobile Expression for Android and iPhone, Savvy Connect, and the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel all track your online behaviors, which assists market researchers in identifying and tracking trends. Some apps give prizes, while others pay cash for downloads. According to the penny order, you may make approximately $5 per device per month since Savvy Connect, up to $180 annually, while the Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel pays approximately $50 annually per participant. 8. Become a secret shopper or mystery shopper. Retailers know that providing excellent customer service is the key to generating repeat business. Hence, many of them are willing to pay for covert client reviews. Sign up for an account with a company such as Rewardable, Gigwalk, iPoll, or Quick Thoughts to become eligible to get cash and other benefits in exchange for completing surveys and other activities at a variety of retail locations. According to Forbes, retail establishments often spend between $5 and $20 per shop for activities such as responding to a questionnaire about customer service and the overall shopping experience. According to reports, a single shopper was able to make a total of $14,000 in a single year using this kind of shopping. According to Time, you should be skeptical for businesses that claim they will pay you a substantial sum of money upfront, as well as of unsolicited mystery shopping offers, which are an indication of a fraud. 7. Go to the bar for extra bucks. The Bar Integrity Mystery Shop app is a covert evaluation software that pays you to examine the conditions and customer service experience at your local watering hole in exchange for your feedback on the app. This app could truly help your social life. It's possible that you'll be questioned about the length of time you stood in line for a seat, the demeanor of the bartender who served you, and other related topics. You don't want a life behind a bar? If you have a passion for food and want to put that passion to good use, you should think about becoming a reviewer at Restaurant Cops. Restaurant Cops offers its mystery shoppers the opportunity to earn anything from $5 to $15 every assignment, in addition to having their food expenses covered. 6. Earn cash by working out. Do you find that getting paid in cash motivates you to work out? As you establish your goals and make wagers based on whether or not you will achieve those goals, Healthy Wage is willing to bet that it will, because you are investing your own money on your achievement. Users of the app who have successfully lost weight and improved their health have said that it is effective. Ben Carnes, a participant in the Healthy Wage program who dropped 100 pounds and was interviewed by NPR, said that he understood that if I put money on the line, it would be a double motivating thing. The amount of cash you can win is proportional to the amount you wager, but it has been reported that certain participants have made more than $2,000 simply by achieving their objectives. 5. Make money in your sleep. Researchers are trying to get a handle on what factors contribute to a good night's sleep, and groups are paying sleep study participants high money for doing nothing more than drifting off to dreamland, literally. If you don't mind being prodded and poked before researchers measures your sleep, you may receive roughly $12,000 a year for 2 studies, according to research conducted by a writer for the Penny Hoarder. However, it's not as easy as just cashing a check for your sleep every morning. Do you adore this concept? Consider looking into the possibility of working as a badge inspector full-time. 4. Turn up cash from thin air. Websites such as missingmoney.com can help you recover money that you had previously misplaced, but that is still legally yours to keep. This may involve old bank accounts, refunds, and other financial matters. Another unusual business decision that pays off: if you have a habit of dumping loose change into a junk drawer or allowing pennies to accumulate under seat cushions, you might be passing up a significant opportunity to profit monetarily. You should gather all of your coins and then deposit them into a machine that counts coins at your neighborhood grocery shop, bank or credit union. Despite the fact that coin counting machines like Coinstar impose a nominal price for their services, you could be shocked to learn how much cash is hiding in various places throughout your home. Someone decided to change their coins into cash, and as a result, they ended up with more than $300. 3. Get paid to make new friends. Do you enjoy interacting with new people and forming new relationships? You won't believe it, but through Rent a Friend, you can actually get paid to meet new people and develop new friends. This organization pays its employees to develop casual, friendly relationships with other individuals with the goal of either easing someone's transition to a new place or setting up a dinner date. You can make up to $50 an hour as a friend, depending on how many hours you work, and there is no set schedule or minimum amount of time that you are required to commit to working as a friend. Are you ready to move beyond simple conversation? Become a professional snuggler or get paid to be a part of a wedding or to cry at a funeral. 2. Purge clutter for money. If you've been paying for a storage space to keep all of your clutter, selling it could result in a windfall for you. This is especially true if you've been paying more than you should have been. If you plan to make 2017 the year that you finally condo your life, why not get paid to do it? If wading through your closet or storage space could take time, of course, but if you planned to make 2017 the year that you finally condo your life, why not get paid to do it? Check out applications like Let's Go and Declutter or Book Scouter if you are a student or reader who is interested in selling their books. You can sell your belongings on websites like Craigslist, but there are other options available. One personal finance blogger made well over $1,000 by using Craigslist to sell a variety of items. 1. Make coin surfing the web. If you are already waste time online and enjoying visiting websites or watching videos that make you laugh, you should consider getting paid for your hobby. For instance, you can earn rewards from Inbox Dollars and Fusion Cash for watching videos or interacting with specific websites, and user testing pays people to evaluate websites. You also have the opportunity to make money off of your photographs by selling them to Shutterstock. Biz Agent and Influencer are two other online test and review sites that you can check out to earn prizes in lieu of cash. Alternatively, you can submit feedback to manufacturers and there is a possibility that you will be compensated. But if you really want to get compensated, check this out.